How to make gingerbread men. First you will need to get your ingredients. You will need sweets of your choice for decoration, 350 grams of plain flour, 175 grams of light soft brown sugar, 100 grams of butter, 1 medium egg, 4 tablespoons of golden syrup, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger and some icing. Here are my ingredients all ready. Make sure you've got the right equipment to help you make them. First thing you need to do is measure out and put your flour into a bowl. Next, put the butter into the bowl. Then add your ginger, and finally add your bicarbonate of soda. Mix it together with your fingertips until it becomes crumbly. It should look something like this. Then you'll need to weigh out and add in your light brown soft sugar. Pour this sugar into your flour mixture. Then add your golden syrup. You'll need 4 tablespoons. Then crack an egg into your mixture. Now you need to mix it to make a firm pastry. Keep mixing until you end up with something that looks like this. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees or gas mark 4. For the next bit, you'll need some flour, a rolling pin and your cutter, and of course your gingerbread pastry from earlier. So you need to put some plain flour on your work surface so that your gingerbread mix doesn't stick to your worktop. You get your pastry out and you can start rolling it until it's thin. Use your cookie cutter to cut out your gingerbread men. Once you've cut out the gingerbread men, put them on either grease-proof paper or you can grease a baking tray. Pop them on there and then ask an adult to put them in the oven for you. They need to go on for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Once they finish cooking, take them off the baking tray and put them onto a cooling rack. Now it's time to make your icing. You'll need icing sugar, a tiny little bit of water and maybe a spoon to mix it. Make sure your icing is the right consistency, not too runny. Now you can decorate your gingerbread men. Once your gingerbread men are cool, they're ready to decorate. You can choose how you'd like to decorate your gingerbread men. Maybe you'd like to put some sweets on there. Maybe you'd like to put some chocolate. Like me, I've got some chocolate buttons. It's up to you. But when you're ready to stick your decorations on, you need to put a tiny blob of your icing sugar where you'd like them. Just like this. and then you should be able to stick your decorations on. Maybe yours look a little bit like mine. Well done everybody! I hope you've enjoyed making gingerbread men with me today. I know I've enjoyed it, and I hope that you really enjoy the best bit about this, which is eating them. Yum yum.